Men over 50, if your mornings no longer start with that surge of energy and firmness you once took for granted, it's not just age. In fact, ignoring this silent change could be a red flag for deeper health problems. But here's the shocking truth. You don't need pills, pumps, or embarrassing doctor visits. Today, I'll reveal 3 secret pressure points hidden on your body that can naturally boost blood flow, restore vitality, and bring back those rock-hard morning erections. And the best part? They take less than 5 minutes a day. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where these points are, how to activate them, and how to turn them into a simple daily ritual that rewires your body for energy, confidence, and performance, no matter your age. But before we dive in, let's get one thing clear. Erections are all about blood flow. Without it, nothing happens. And after 50, circulation slows down, blood vessels stiffen, and testosterone starts to dip. That's why mornings don't feel the same anymore. The good news? Acupressure, a safe, natural technique, can reawaken your circulation, relax your blood vessels, and reprogram your nervous system to respond like it did years ago. Let's uncover the first powerful point. The first pressure point is found in your lower back, right in those small dimples just above the hips. If you place your hands on your waist and let your thumbs slide slightly downward toward the spine, you'll locate the spot. In Eastern medicine, this area is known as the source of kidney energy, long believed to be the foundation of sexual vitality. While Western medicine describes it differently, both agree this region is linked to circulation, nerve pathways, and muscle tension in the pelvis. By applying gentle pressure or massaging these dimples, you're doing far more than pressing the skin. You're stimulating blood flow into the pelvic region, loosening the lower back and hip muscles, and creating warmth in an area that often grows stiff with age. Many men over 50 develop tightness here due to sitting, lack of flexibility, or even arthritis, which in turn restricts circulation and weakens the nerve signals that travel to the pelvic area. Pressing this point works almost like opening a valve, allowing blood to flow more freely. Spend a few minutes each morning focusing on this spot. You can do it while standing, lying down, or even sitting in a chair. Press gently but firmly with your thumbs, hold for 10 to 15 seconds, and release slowly. Deep breathing while you do this enhances circulation and muscle relaxation even further. Repeat several times, and if you like, add small circular motions with your thumbs. With consistency, this simple ritual wakes up your body, boosts pelvic circulation, and lays the foundation for firmer, more dependable morning responses. It costs nothing, takes only minutes, and yet can have a surprisingly powerful effect on energy and vitality. The second pressure point sits about 2 inches below the navel, in the lower abdomen. Traditional medicine often calls this the energy gate, believed to be the core of sexual stamina and vitality. Even if you don't follow ancient practices, modern science backs the idea. This area is tied to the muscles, blood vessels, and nerves that supply the prostate and the penis. By pressing here, you're essentially activating the body's center of power. To use this point, place 2 or 3 fingers gently on the spot and apply steady, firm pressure. Breathe slowly as you hold, and if you want to enhance the effect, make small circular motions with your fingertips. The key is patience. Don't just press and release. Hold for a minute or 2, giving your body time to respond. This practice works best either in the morning, to prime your body for better circulation during the day, or before bed, when your body is preparing for its natural recovery cycle. Men who make this a consistent habit often notice improved pelvic circulation, but also a calmer, steadier energy throughout the day. That's because stimulating this point not only strengthens blood flow, but also helps balance the nervous system, easing stress and tension. And when stress drops, erections tend to happen more naturally, with less effort. Over time, this becomes more than a technique. It becomes a grounding ritual that supports prostate health, enhances vitality, and restores confidence. The third pressure point is located on the inner leg. To find it, measure about 4 finger widths up from your ankle bone, just behind the shin bone. This spot has long been linked to reproductive health, hormonal balance, and circulation in the pelvic region. In fact, it's one of the most widely used points in traditional acupressure for enhancing sexual function and overall vitality. To activate it, sit comfortably so you can easily reach your lower leg. Using your thumb or fingers, press firmly but gently into the spot. Hold the pressure for around 10 seconds, then release and repeat several times on each leg. You should notice a sense of relaxation or even a subtle warmth as blood flow improves. If you prefer, you can also massage this point in small circular motions rather than simply pressing. This particular pressure point works especially well in the evening. By activating it before bed, you prepare your body for improved blood flow throughout the night, which supports stronger, more natural morning erections. With consistency, this simple practice can make morning erections stronger, more frequent, and more reliable. Beyond sexual health, many men also notice added benefits, such as improved energy, greater hormonal balance, and reduced fatigue throughout the day. When practiced regularly, this technique becomes more than just a quick trick. It transforms into a quiet yet powerful tool for maintaining strength and vitality well past the age of 50. And yes, something as simple as pressing on these points really can make a difference. When combined with healthy habits like hydration, regular movement, and restorative sleep, acupressure helps your body return to balance, improving circulation, calming the nervous system, and lowering stress. Stress, after all, is one of the hidden enemies of men's health because it raises cortisol, a hormone that disrupts testosterone levels. By taking just a few minutes each day to activate these points, you're not only improving blood flow, but also reducing stress hormones, which is equally important for performance and vitality. The key, as with all things in health, is consistency. Doing these exercises once or twice may bring small improvements, but making them a daily ritual creates lasting change. Think of it like brushing your teeth. One session feels small, but over time, the benefits add up in powerful ways. So starting tonight, take just 5 minutes to try all 3 points. The dimples in the lower back, the spot 2 inches below your navel, and the point above your ankle. Apply gentle pressure, breathe deeply, and allow your body to respond. Over the coming weeks, notice how your mornings begin to transform. Many men report more energy, renewed confidence, and mornings that feel the way they used to. Remember, age does not mean losing vitality. Your body is still capable of strength, energy, and intimacy. You simply need to support it in the right ways. These pressure points are one of the easiest and most natural tools to restore balance and reclaim your mornings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more natural, practical advice on men's health after 50. Take care of yourself, because with the right support, your best mornings are still ahead of you.